my new hat. As far as parts, I have to use backhoes to fix dams. Worst out by these heavy storms here lately. If you remember, let's see, a little while ago, this video about too much rain and how it washed out the dam. And this was what it was like then. I just took out a good 8-foot section of the dam, washed the culvert pipe out, and it was a mess. So we got the backhoe over to there, and we did a little bit of work, and we're slowly progressing to get it back, because that's what us pirates do. And here's what it looked like today. Fixing the dam. I took out that one post that was here. There's 2 of them. Pulled the tree out, cut it up, moved the culvert pipe, and then we moved some dirt. Dug it mostly out of there. Hopefully, grab a bunch more dirt through here. Build this dam going across there about 12 foot wide. And then we got some piping to put in across the top, and then we'll go finish off by filling in our temporary flow right there. 1 bucket at a time. Save the Backhoe part.